let's go over number 1, 2, and 3 in our exercise. All right, number 1, identify the bisector of ST, then find ST. Well, the bisector is whatever cuts that segment in half. So this is actually ray because it starts with a point and ends with an arrow. So ray MW is the bisector. So MW, we write the ray like this with a line and an arrow over W because that's W is at the arrow. And since it is bisector, both sides have to be equal. So since this is 19, the other side must be 19 also. So ST must equal 19 plus 19, which is then 38. All right, number 2. It is being cut now with a line because there are 2 arrows at the end. So it is being cut by line L. And number 2, it has some variables, so it's bigger, longer. So I'm going to do it on the side here. Let's see here. We know that 3x minus 6 must equal x plus 8. I'm going to solve for x. I'm going to subtract x to both sides. 2x minus 6 must equal 8. Add 6 to both sides. 2x equals 14. Then I'm going to divide by 2 to both sides. So x must then equal 7. So if I plug in 7 into any side, 7 plus 8 must equal 15. 3 times 7 is 21. Minus 6 must be 15. This is accurate because both sides have to be the same. ST must equal 15 plus 15, which is 30. Number 3, copy the segment and construct the segment bisector by paper folding, then label the midpoint M. Well, I cannot paper fold, but I can try to guess where the segment bisector is. This is kind of the middle, so here, if I drew maybe a line here, so this will be my segment bisector, and I'm gonna call that N. So this will be cut in half by line N, and that is all.